Guys, you don't want to spend a lot of time making breakfast in the morning, right? Today, I'm gonna show you two super easy and simple breakfast recipes. Before cooking, please wash your hands to avoid spreading bacteria in your kitchen. And I already washed my hands, so let's get started! Let's make the first recipe. It is French toast. But first of all, let's make a coaster. Let's crack an egg. Another egg. Oops. And another one. Let's put some half teaspoon of salt. Put it on a bowl. 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Put it on the bowl. And 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Smells so good. Now, 3/4 of a whole milk. And let's pour it on the bowl. Now, let's whisk it. Let's whisk. And let's drop the bread into the coaster. Let them enjoy their private pool. Now let's flip it and leave it in a second. Let's preheat the electric pan. And put some butter. Wait if it is completely melted. You can add more butter if you want. Let's add more. Now let's toast the bread. Okay, now let's toast it. And wait if it is golden brown. It smells like cinnamon, guys. Now let's drop another bread in the coaster. Flip it again. same a while ago. Okay, flip the bread. Let's put the other bread. And wait. If it is golden brown. Now guys, we're done. Let's put some strawberries. Let's put it on top of the toasted bread. Look at the strawberry, guys. So delicious. Let's add more. Ooh, that's a lot. And let's add some maple syrup to add more taste. Oh my god, it's so delicious, guys. Now I'm done. Let's call my sister to taste my French toast.
So guys, I'm gonna try it now. It's delicious.
I hope you tried it too because it's delicious and easy to make. Hi guys, so now let's make another recipe. It is egg in a hole. But first of all, let's make a hole using a measuring cup. If you can't press it because of the handle, fold it in half and press it like this. And that's good. Good tip, right? So now, let's drop the bread in the coaster. It's the same coaster I used a while ago. Flip it. Okay. Let's preheat the pan first. Let's put some oil. Okay, now it's enough. Let's spread it using a spoon. Now let's put the bread and wait if it is golden brown. Now you've been faced the greatest challenge. That's right, flipping. If under the egg is cooked, you can flip it, but it goes everywhere in your kitchen. Disaster. If you trust yourself, go for it. If you don't, you can't go for it. Now, let's remove the cover. Transfer it into the serving plate with the help of spoon and spatula. Here you go.
And now let's taste the second recipe. Yummy!
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you tried my recipes because it's super delicious, right? And super easy to make. Thank you guys for watching.